Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi 13. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, click on the search and look for Firefox. Tap on install. When it's ready, hit the open. Here you can continue, allow, and now we can customize the browser. So pick a different theme, choose your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Last option is to start browsing, and here we can open any website. As you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.